Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I received an email from Dermstore and they were saying that they have some really good kits available. So I went on there to see what they had. So this one called my attention. So this is supposed to be like a full face in a bag. This is your makeup bag and everything that's in here should be enough for you to complete a full face. So we're going to open it, we're going to go through it, and then I am going to link everything below in case you're interested. So Dermstore, they sell all kinds of brands. They sell makeup and they sell skincare if you're not familiar with them. But they really have a lot of different brands. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is from Wonder Beauty. This is a lip retreat. And it's a lip oil. And it's in the shade Tan Lines. I love lip oils. And I like Wonder Beauty. I think they have some really good products. Well, you know how they usually just put the tape on one side. No, this one had it on both sides. So this is, I hope it's not a squeezy tube. I hope, yep, it's got the little doe foot, and we are going to put it here. That is a really pretty shade. Really pretty. And this is, I prefer these to the squeezy tubes. I will use the squeezy tubes, but like I said, I just prefer to have something with a doe foot or, I don't know, roll on or something. The next thing is from Sheen Dermatology Developed, safe for sensitive skin, and it's the Scene Blowout Cream. It took dermatologists to see the hair care products affect your skin. This award-winning styling cream was developed specifically to be safe for sensitive acne-prone skin. It delivers long-lasting body bounce and shine. So this is for your hair. So that's nice. So notice for the hair, I don't get too excited. Okay, this is from Bioderma, and this is the Sebum Pore Refiner. Wow, can I use that? Corrective care for enlarged pores, tightens pores, refines the skin texture, combination oily skin. I really don't have oily skin, and this summer I do get a little oily, but I'll be more than happy to try this to see if it does help with the pores. Next is from Glow Skin Beauty. It's a cream stay shadow stick. Ooh, this is pretty. That is really pretty right there. It's like a light bronzy shade. It's very pretty. And I do love shadow sticks. Those are so convenient and I wear them very, very often. Okay, this is from Grande Lash, and this is the Brow Fill Volume Brow Gel. You know, guys, you know I have trouble saying that word. So this is in clear, I would imagine. It is clear. I have the tinted one, so I may pass this one along because I like the tinted one, but once in a while I do use a clear one, but I have a couple of clear ones already. But this is supposed to be not just a brow gel, but it also has the ingredients in it to help with your brow growth. It is infused with peptides and fibers. Transparent. So this is a good one. And it looks like full size. Okay, this is from Pericone MD, which is a very, very pricey brand. This is a brightening serum with vitamin C ester. So this is good. I like vitamin C. It helps with dark spots. Okay, this is the Bronze Glow Drops from First Aid Beauty. I do have a small one of this, so I'm not going to open it. But I actually like it. I've tried it a couple of times and I like it. It's like bronze drops like everybody else, but this one is like, it has like a little thicker consistency. Yeah, it's a squeezy. Well, it's open. Let's do it. See, it's not like super runny. It's nice to mix with a foundation if your foundation is like too thick or if it's too light. And it does give you like a nice bronzy shade. And they don't have different shades. It's just the one. But it's nice. And it doesn't have any kind of scent to it. And it doesn't really stay very sticky at all. It kind of gets absorbed. So as you can see it doesn't look super glowy. It says shake before use, apply drop to create a custom glow layered or mixed with skincare and makeup. I do like it. The little one that I have, it doesn't bring a lot, but it brings enough that I could tell you that I like it. This is from 111 Skin and is eye mask. These are very good. I've used them before. Super pricey. I would never pay full price for them, but for a while there, we were getting them with Boxycharm all the time. This is from Jane Irondale, and this is the Pure Press Blush. And I love Jane Irondale. Her blushes are really, really good. Her powder foundation is good. This is a very pretty shade. I don't think I have this one, but I'm not going to swatch it in case I do, because I do own a couple of her blushes, and I don't want to, you know, just use it for the heck of it. This is Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. It's a mascara. This is a nice mascara. Not one of my favorite mascaras, but it's just personal preference. I know a lot of people really enjoy this. This is what the wand looks like. There's just other mascaras that I prefer to use, but I have used this one before. It does give you nice lashes. It's not something that I, you know, if this is the only mascara I have, I would say, oh no, I don't want it. I like other ones better, but it is a good mascara. Okay, this is from Ren, and it's the Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. Oh, this is nice. And I think everything I have pulled out, guys, is full size. Maybe this isn't. The Blowout Cream. This looks like it's deluxe size. Ren is nice. I have quite a few of their products. And is this a liquid? It's got a dropper. Looks like a liquid. Let's put it on this hand and see what it does. I never had a liquid primer. Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. Silicone free. See what it does. Does it tell me what it does? It says it's supposed to smooth the appearance of wrinkles. Has agave extract, and it helps reduce shine. So if you have oily skin, this is probably going to be very good for you. It's supposed to help smooth out the wrinkles and also absorb extra oils on your face. So if you get oily, maybe good to use on the T-zone. It doesn't really say anything about pores, but I'm going to try it and see. I'm interested in that. Okay, then we have something from Nude Stick. Oh, this is a highlighter. Okay, I am not going to swatch this, because if you can see that, it has like micro glitter in there. I know I'm not going to use that. There's no way I'm going to put that on my cheek. It's called Euphorics. It says all over face highlight color. No, this is not for me. Nice, but not for me. Okay, then we have, this looks like deluxe size for Emborian, and it's gentle cleansing oil. So that's nice. I do like cleansing oils. And then from RMS, we have their, I think this is their blush brush, which I don't have. I own a lot of RMS, but I do not own any of her brushes. Skin blush from, yeah, it's a blush brush. So this is nice. This will be nice, especially if you are using a liquid or cream blush. And then last but not least, we have a palette. And the palette is from Ico. Now, I remember one time it seemed like every beauty box out there, we were just getting mascara, eyeliner from Ico. I didn't even know that they had eyeshadows. But we haven't seen, at least I haven't seen any in a while. I love the packaging. It's that matte packaging like the NARS. Very pretty. It's called Limitless Concrete Pink. Oh, this is very pretty. Neutral but beautiful. Alright, so let's see. It does have a mirror. Let's see if we can really create a look with this, okay? So we have plenty of moisturizers. We've seen that. And we have the primer to put on our face. We have the eyeshadow. We have the lip oil. I wish there was a lip liner. You know what? This is another one. This is a pore refiner. I wonder if you can use this. But this is skincare. It's not a primer. Okay. If you like, you know, the shimmer on your face, you can use that. You can use this beforehand if your eyes are tired and wrinkly like mine. You can build your brows, but I mean, this doesn't have any kind of shade and there's not a brow pencil. Definitely do your mascara. So I think this is really, really good. And you can do this, if you don't want to do the palette, you can do this or use this as a liner. You have a beautiful blush. So I think all in all, this is a really, really nice bag. So let me see how many things we received. Oh, and we have the bronzing drops. We have the bronzing drops that I dropped. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 products. I think I'm missing anything. So that is pretty good. So I would put on here how much each product, what it breaks down to as far as each product. Most of these products were full size, so I think you can't beat it. This is better than spending money on an advent calendar. You get quality, good brands. A lot of them are clean brands. I don't know if they all are clean. Maybe they are. Maybe the descriptions would say it if it was clean. Let's look it up. They do have different kits that you can get, guys. You don't have to get this one. They have, you know, different price points, but I was trying to find the one that was not super expensive. Okay, this is called a Get Ready With Me kit, and it has $463.99 value. I don't know about that, okay? And you can get coupons. If I find a coupon, I will find it for you. So it's $6.25 a product, which I really think is absolutely worth it. But I mean, are you going to use these products? That's another question you need to ask yourself. And that's not counting the nice little makeup bag, but I mean, I don't really count a makeup bag as a product. The blush from Jane Arundel, that's pricey. The brush from RMS is pricey. The Tarte mascara, that just the, oh my gosh, just this alone is probably quite a bit of money. So I will try to put everything as I show you the product, what the price is if I can find it. I really think this is a good value if you like these brands, if this is something that you're going to use. Again, if it's not worth it, if it's something you don't use, then no, don't spend the money, because even $6 and some cents is not worth it, okay? Alright, you guys, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know if this is something you've ever been interested in. Have you ever shopped at Dermstore? They really have some good sales, some good kits, some good deals there sometimes. You should try to subscribe, and then they'll send you emails letting you know when they have special things going on. So thank you so much for spending some time with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.